Seventh part, x such that x is an integer, x less than x एक इंटीजर होगा जो -1/2 और 9/2 के बीच में आएगा. इंटीजर्स which belongs between -1/2 and 9/2, -0.5 and 4.5 are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thus the set contain element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we see eighth part. Eighth part is x belongs to z x square less than 20. When we solve this, x square less than equal 20. What are the possible value? Give x square less than 20. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thus the elements of the given set are these. Question number 4. Which of the following set are null set and why? A is equal to 0, set having 0 as only one element. The set given contain the element 0, so it is not a null set because it contain the element 0. Second part, B, x plus 3 is equal to 3. When we solve this, x is equal to 3 minus 3, x is equal to 0. Similarly as first, x contain the element 0, so it is not a empty set. Third part, C is equal to x square minus 1 is equal to 0. When we solve x square minus 1 is equal to 0, two value of x are occur, +1 and -1. Thus the given set contain two elements which are -1 and 1. Fourth part, D is equal to y such that y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Value of y is equal to plus minus √2. It contain the element +2, plus √2 and minus √2, so it is also not a empty set. E part and fifth part, E is equal to y such that y cube is equal to 27, y is equal to 2. When we put the value of 2 कि क्यूब इज नॉट इक्वल 27, so it is empty set. Sixth part, f is equal to x square is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. When solve this, we get two value, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2. But given x is equal to 3, so it is also a empty set. See last part, x is a positive, x is negative. 0 is only element which is negative as well as positive. Question number 5. State whether the following set are finite or infinite. First we read in definition. Set contain finite element is finite set and infinite element is infinite set. In the first part, element of set are 1, 2, 3, 9, 9, 9 and 1, 0, 0. Its element are finite, so it is finite set. Second part, the set of positive integer greater than 1000. The set of positive integer greater than 1000. Many more integers are greater than 1000, so it is infinite set. Third one, x belongs to n and x square is equal to 4. Set contain only element 2 because x belongs to n. नेचुरल नंबर में बिलोंग करता है. यहाँ x की वैल्यू 2 आएंगी, +2 और -2. We neglect the value -2 because x belongs to n natural number, so it contain the element 2, so it is finite set. Fourth part, x belongs to n, x minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. When we solve this, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Set having 2 elements, so it is finite set. Now we see question number 6. In which of the following state whether a is equal to b? Set a is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Set b is equal to 8, 4, 16 and 8. We read earlier, element occur more than one time. The order of elements is inertial. Set A contain 4, 8, 12, 16. Set B contain 4, 8. It does not contain 12. So A is not equal B. Second part, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to x. X is positive even integer less than equal 10. First set contain 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. सेकेंड सेट कंटेन द एलिमेंट x. एक ऐसा नंबर है जो इवन भी है और 10 के बराबर या 10 से छोटा है तो बी सेट के एलिमेंट हम टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो वही आ जाएंगे 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड 10. So set A is equal to set B. Now we see third part. A is equal to x such that x minus 5 is equal to 0. When solve this, x is equal to 5. Set A contain element 5 while its second B part is x such that x is positive integer root of equation. When solve this, x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5. X minus 5 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 3. The set contain two element but positive integer. तो x is equal to 5 और set first contain element 5. So A is equal to B. Now we see fourth part. X modulus x less than 2. X belongs to Z. Set B is equal to minus 1 and 1. Set B contain two element minus 1 and 1 while set A contain ऐसा नंबर जो 2 से छोटा होगा और इंटीजर्स में बिलोंग करेगा 0 एंड -1. Set A contain 0 and -1. Set B contain -1 and 1. So A is not equal B. Now we see seventh question. Which of the following set are equal? A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, A, C, B, C, A, B, C, C. All these are representing the same set. So all sets are equal. Second part. 1, 2, 3. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3, 2, 1. And last is x such that x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. Clearly set A contain 1, 2, 3. Set C contain 3, 2, 1 same. And solve this by hit and trial method. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is a factor of px or given this. Now x is equal to 2. 2 raised to power 3. 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. 8 minus 24 plus 22 minus 6 is also equal 0. So x is equal to 2 is a factor of px. Similarly, x is equal to 3 is also a factor of px. So first and third and fourth part are two equal set. Thank you. This is the end of exercise 1.1. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.